Step number 4. Step number 4. Section classification. Section classification. Classification of flanges. IS 800 2007, page number 18, and clause number table number 2. There was small a is equal to plastic section, small b is equal to compact section, small c is equal to semi compact section. Therefore code book page number 18. See the code book page number 18, 8.4, B by TF 8.4 and B by TF 9.4. This is a plastic section and a compact section, semi compact section. This is page number 18. Formula. Therefore plastic is equal to B by TF less than or equal to 8.4 E small b. Therefore B by semi compact section, compact, B by TF less than or equal to 9.4 E. C. B by semi compact section, semi compact. Therefore B by TF less than or equal to 13.6 E, where E is equal to 1.00. Next, step number 5. Step number 5. Check for moment. This is equal to code book page number 53 and clause number 8.2.1.2. Therefore formula is equal to MD is equal to beta B multiplied by ZP multiplied by Fy by gamma MO. This is equal to MD formula. MD is equal to beta B multiplied by ZP multiplied by Fy, where beta B is equal to 1.00. Therefore ZP is equal to formula BF multiplied by TF multiplied by D plus TF. This is equal to ZP formula. Next, where Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square, gamma MO is equal to 1.10. Therefore code book page number 53. Open the code book page number 53. Open the code book page number 53. Therefore 53 is equal to page number 52 is equal to MD less than MD. Therefore page number 53 is equal to this formula. MD is equal to beta B multiplied by ZP multiplied by Fy by gamma MO. where beta B is equal 1.0 for plastic and compact sections only. Beta B is equal ZE by ZP for semi-compact sections only. ZP comma ZE is equal plastic and elastic section modulo of the cross section respectively. Fy is equal yield stress of the material. Yield stress of the material. Fy is equal yield stress of the material. Gamma MO is equal partial safety factor. Gamma MO is equal partial safety factor. This is equal formula MD is equal to beta B ZP Fy by gamma MO. Gamma MO. Therefore, check number one. Check number one. MD greater than M. MD greater than M. MD greater than M. Next, step number 6. Step number 6. Check for shear. Check for shear. Therefore, using post critical method. Post critical method. This equal shear is equal post critical method. Therefore, page number 60. Page number 60 small b. 60 small b. Page number 60 small b. Small b. Therefore, beta b conditions. Apply the conditions. Apply the conditions. Apply the conditions. Complete conditions. Page number 60 and 59 post critical method 59. Therefore, conditions. Apply the conditions. Condition number 1, C by D greater than or equal to 1.00. Hence assume C by D is equal to 1.22. Condition number 2, D by TW less than 200 E when 3D less than or equal to CD less than or equal to D. Therefore, page number 63. Page number 63 and 64. Therefore, condition number 2. C by D. Condition number 2. D by TW less than 3.345 345 E when C less than 1.5 D. Page number 64. Page number